What if I told you there's a way to really earn from comfort of your home? That sounds a bit cliche, but yes, there is a way. Here's presenting CRM Partner Program, an amazing opportunity to earn great perks and benefits by referring our award-winning CRM to your friends, colleagues, and organizations. How does this program work? Being an CRM partner is absolutely simple. Send us leads. If we close them, you will earn the percentage of the sale. Isn't it easy? Well, now coming to the program, if you are selected for our partner program, you will earn the tag of either associate partner, gold partner, or platinum partner. With hands-on experience, you can become our next premium partner today. So, what's in it for you? Every partner is bound to receive terrific benefits from this partner program. Refer us to your clients and organization and earn maximum rewards. A lot of our partners are experiencing this remarkable journey of being our partner. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to turn your referrals into amazing return. Join our partner program today and earn high revenue share on every sale you generate for CRM. Visit the link given in the description.